Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up Terraform on Ubuntu hosted on AWS. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing of AWS, and from here you want to click on continue to subscribe. After that, you would be brought to this screen from where you want to click on accept terms, and then you want to wait for the subscription validation to complete. Once the validation is complete, simply click on continue to configuration. After that, from this page, choose the AMI, choose the software version, and most importantly, choose the region where you want your virtual machine to be deployed. When you're satisfied with the settings, simply click on continue to launch. And then from this page, you have the option to launch the new virtual machine from either the website or from the EC2 management console. Now what I like to do is that I like to change it from the website to EC2, and then you have to click on launch. Now this opens up the EC2 management console in a new tab. And from this tab, you can actually customize your virtual machine. So give your deployment virtual machine a name. I'm going to call this one as Terraform. Scroll down and make sure that the image is the one that you got from the link in the description box. Scroll down even more and choose the instance type that you want to have according to your requirements. Scroll down and select a key pair. Now you can go with a new key pair or you can use an already existing one. And then when you're satisfied with all the other settings, simply click on launch instance to actually create the virtual machine and to launch it. After that, you need to click on view all instances. So in here we can see our newly created virtual machine right over here. But as you can see, it is still in the pending state. So simply wait for a few moments for it to change its state from pending to running. Once it changes into running state, we can connect to it using the SSH terminal. So for that, simply click on the virtual machine, right click on it and click on connect. So in here we can see this command. What we are going to do is that we are going to copy it, and then we are going to open either a command prompt or a PowerShell and paste the command inside here. And then we are going to replace the text inside the quotation marks along with the quotation marks for the path where we have downloaded our private key. After replacing the path for the private key, simply hit enter, and when prompted, type in yes and hit enter once more. So this should allow us to connect to the SSH terminal of our virtual machine. Now the next step is to verify the installation of Terraform. So for that, we have the command Terraform space -v, which stands for version, and then hit enter. So as you can see that we are currently running the Terraform version 0.15.1, which means that the installation is successful, and now we can run some basic Terraform commands such as Terraform space init, which is going to initialize the Terraform in an empty directory. Or maybe we can run commands like Terraform space plan, which in this case is going to result in an error because we have not set up any configuration file, but you get the idea. Or maybe we can run the command Terraform space -help. Anyways, that was it on how to set up Terraform on Ubuntu hosted on Amazon Web Services. Make sure to check out the link in the description box for the marketplace listing of Amazon Web Services. And if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.